Hello everyone. In today's class, we will learn about the computer system and all the input devices. First, we will see working of computer system. The computer is a machine that follows the IPO cycle, that is input-output cycle. The input device are to give instructions to the computer, which are then proceed by the CPU. Input devices does what it does, it gives instructions and then it proceeds by the CPU, and whatever the results it displays on the output device, the result of processing are displayed on the output device. The computer understands the language of zeros and ones. It is called binary language or machine language. Computer only understands the language of zeros and ones, which is called binary language or machine language. Now I am showing you the block diagram of computer, how CPU is working, that is central processing unit. First, input device gives instructions, then that instructions are processed in the CPU and the proceed data are displayed on the output device, and whatever the instruction given by the input device are stored in the memory. Now we will see about the input devices. First we will see about keyboard. A keyboard is the most widely used input device. It has a number of keys for entering alphabets, numbers and special characters. When you press a key, the code of the key is sent to the CPU in a binary form. Okay, because computer understand only the language of zeros and one, that is binary language, and whenever you press a key, the key code is sent to the CPU in a binary form. Next input device is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device with two buttons and a scroll wheel. The mouse converts the motion of your hands into a binary signals that computer can understand. Okay, the mouse converts the motion of your hands into a binary signals which understand by computer. The mouse can be a ball mouse, an optical mouse or a wireless mouse. First we will see about the ball mouse. The ball mouse has a small metal or rubber ball under it. The ball mouse having a small ball, rubber ball or metal ball inside the mouse. The movement of that mouse causes the ball to move. Because of that ball, we can use the movement. Next, the optical mouse uses light beam to detect the motion of the mouse. Optical mouse uses light beam to detect the motion of the mouse. Next, a wireless mouse. Wireless mouse is not attached to the computer through a wire. Because it's a wireless mouse, it's not connected with the wire. It communicates with the computer using signals. Next input device is joystick. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that is attached to a base. Joystick is having a stick attached with the base. The stick moves and controls the movement of a pointer. That stick controls the movement of a pointer. Joysticks are commonly used for playing video games. Next input device is light pen. A light pen is also an input device and is shaped like a pen. The tip of the light pen has a light sensitive detector. Okay, the tip of that pen having a sensitive detector, light sensitive detector. When the light pen touches the screen, the detector identifies the location of the pen. Whenever the pen touches the screen, that detector identifies where is the pen is located on the screen because of that detector. Next input device is graphic tablet. A graphic tablet is used to draw images and pictures on the computer screen. Tablet is used for to draw images and pictures on the computer screen. It consists of flat surface on which the user can draw using pen-like device called stylus. With the help of stylus, which is a pen-like device, we can draw on the graphic tablet. Next is scanner. A scanner is a device that is used for converting printed documents or photos into an electronic format. It means the hard copy, if you insert it in the scanner, it will convert it into a soft copy. There are various types of scanners such as flatbed scanners and handheld scanners. The most commonly used is flatbed scanner. Next input device is MICR, that is magnetic ink character recognition. An MICR reader is a device used to read characters printed in a special font using magnetic ink. MICR is a reader, and what is used? It's used to read a character printed in a special font using magnetic ink. Banks make use of MICR to process checks. MICR mostly used in the banks for processing their checks. Next input device is barcode reader. A barcode reader is a device used to read barcodes. A barcode is a small image of lines and spaces that can be seen on packets of many products. It is used in shop to quickly input the information of a product into the computer. Next is OCR, that is optical character recognition. An OCR reader is a device that scans or goes through the text character by character. It is widely used to convert books and documents into the electronic files. Next input device is OMR, that is optical mark recognition. An OMR is a device used to recognize marks on specially printed forms and sheets. Okay, an OMR is a device used to recognize marks on specially printed forms and sheets. This technology is used where a large number of hand-filled forms need to be processed quickly. Next is touchscreen. Next input device is touchscreen. A touchscreen is a touch-sensitive computer display. Touchscreen is having touch-sensitive computer display that can also act as an input device. Touchscreens are easy to use and found in public places such as ATMs, ticket collection terminals and airports. Next input device is touchpad. A touchpad is an input device that works by sensing the user's finger movement. Touchpad works by the sensing user's finger movement. It is usually found on the laptop computer where it is used in the place of mouse. In laptop, we can use touchpad instead of mouse. Next input device is digital camera. A digital camera is used to capture images and videos and store them in a digital form. They display the captured images immediately on the screen. Digital camera displays captured images immediately on the screen. Next is web camera. A webcam or web camera is a digital camera that is usually connected to the computer through USB interface. Web camera is connected to the computer with USB interface. Webcams come with software that allow the user to record video or send the video on the web. Webcam comes with the software. With the help of that software, we can record the video or send the video on the web. So today we saw about all the input devices. Let's have a look. First we will saw keyboard, then mouse, next joystick, then light pen, graphic tablet, next scanner, then MICR, that is magnetic ink character recognition, next barcode reader, next OCR, optical character recognition, next input device is OMR, next is touch screen, next input device is touchpad, then digital camera and web camera. Okay, the remaining part of the lesson we will see in the next class. Thank you.